Hi, my name is Rémi Perroni and I'm the founder of Kaili Energy. Kaili Energy is a clean tech startup specialized in low environmental footprint air conditioners for residential applications. Throughout the globe, temperature is rising, that's a fact. By 2050, heat waves in France should increase by 250%. To keep temperature bearable in our flats, AC is becoming more and more common. The thing is, having your AC running has consequences. It's accelerating climate change by leaking refrigerants into the atmosphere, which are strong greenhouse gases, and it's also increasing your electricity bill on an average by 25%. On top of that, installing AC will require an ugly and noisy external unit on your balcony that releases heat, worsening the urban heat island effect. Vicious circle. In a nutshell, AC is expensive, pollutant, and far from being adapted to the sustainable city. At Kaili Energy, we are focusing on delivering people a sustainable and delightful summer thermal comfort. We have developed an innovative, stylish design air conditioner, 3 times less energy consuming than a classic AC, which you don't need any refrigerant to operate. Our technology is based on a high-performance heat exchanger coupled with an innovative thermic cycle. If we look at our competitors, some Australian manufacturers have made some really good products based on the same physical principle. But their wet bulb performance is not good enough to meet the comfort standard in places more humid than Australia or Middle East, and their products are not designed for the residential segment. Talking about our technological maturity, if we are still in an early stage phase, we have finalized some robust numerical models and we are manufacturing and testing our first prototype with really good results. We are targeting residential application, and unless the US, where AC is installed in 90% of households, in France it's only 5%. And when we look at figures, this small percentage in France still represents a market of €1 billion with an annual growth rate of 27% last year. To find the right product market fit and to understand the difference between France and US, we have conducted market studies with a strategic consulting firm. And among different questions, we have asked people, why don't you have AC at home? The answer we usually got were, because it's far from my environmental concerns, because it's expensive, because it's ugly in my living room. We rarely heard, because I don't need it. This is a particular segmentation of customer we are targeting, people who suffer from excessive temperature at home, who are concerned about environment, and for whom sleek and stylish design is something that matters. For now, our team is composed of 3 co-founders: Stéphane, researcher in thermodynamics and heat transfer with 13 years of experience in the field; Frédéric, head of mechanical engineering with excellent track record in international companies and research labs; and myself, CEO, former cell engineer with an extensive experience in the energy field. We have a technical partnership with LOCI, a public research lab in energy in building. We are financially supported by Linxion, a deep tech incubator, and we are a member of Tenerdis, a French technological cluster for the energy transition. The AC market is dominated by world-class Asian players. It will not make any sense to play on the field and compete on the same go-to-market. If we start to sell to the certified partner installer, we anticipate some hostile reaction. Hopefully, we have an unfair advantage. We do not need any refrigerant fluids. We do not fall under refrigerant fluid regulations. Installers working with our product do not need to be certified. That's a huge advantage in countries like France, where there is not enough qualified company to follow the AC market booming. Thus, we plan to work with classic contractors to ensure a much more broad distribution network, and these contractors are not allowed to install classic AC, but now with our products they will. Moreover, as sleek and stylish design is one of our strong commitments, and our technology is much more eco-friendly than traditional AC, we are considering to partner with players from the residential wood stove industry. They are winter thermal comfort specialists, and we are working hard to become summer thermal comfort specialists. They have the go-to-market, and we have a product that create direct synergy with their solutions. We have started to discuss with some of them, and we have a good feedback. Kaili Energy will be officially created and incorporated before this summer. We have enough cash to continue our technical development till the end of the year, but to finalize developing the solution, to validate the technical proof of concept, and to start manufacturing pilot series ready to be sold for summer 2021, we're hoping for €700,000 in the upcoming 10 months. Thanks for watching and keep cool.